The TECNO Spark 20 Pro is part of the TECNO Spark 20 series of smartphones and is the second one in the family. This phone aims to give you a smooth experience with a RAM capacity which can go up to 16 gigabytes. This allows you to take good quality pictures with its three rear cameras, with the main one having a high resolution of 108 megapixels. The front camera also quite powerful at 32 megapixels, making sure your selfies are clear and bright. There is a big 6.78-inch display with a high quality resolutions and a quick refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This phone also has a big battery, which is 5000 milliamps, that charge very fast. Stereo speakers for good sounds, and it uses fingerprint scanner for security. The TECNO Spark 20 Pro is a bit thick and sturdy, and its display is wide and clear. The front design has a small cutout for the front camera and a speaker. On the right side, there's a button for volume and power, which also has a fingerprint scanner. On the left side, there's a slot for a SIM card. The bottom has a headphone jack and a microphone hole, a charging port, and another speaker. The back of the phone is in moonlight black, and the camera setup has three powerful cameras with a flash. This phone is in mid-range category, so it's good for regular use. It runs on a chip called MediaTek Helio G99 and can connect to 4G network. It has a 8 gigabytes of RAM, and you can add a virtual RAM to make it 16 gigabytes, which is quite good for running many apps smoothly. The display is large and high quality, making it nice for watching movies or playing videos. The stereo speakers are loud and use a technology called DTS to make the sound even better, up to 400% louder. There's also a headphone jack, and the phone supports good quality audio files. Playing games on the TECNO Spark 20 Pro is okay. It can handle games like PUBG Mobile, but for smoother gameplay, it's better to use a balanced setting. The battery is big, 5000 milliamps, and in normal use, it can last all day. Even after playing games for about 30 minutes, the battery only drops a bit. It's charged quickly with a 33-watt cable. The camera on this phone is a big highlight. The three rear cameras can take high-resolution photos in a special 108 megapixel mode, making the pictures very detailed. There is also an AI technology that helps make your photos look nice. It can take good pictures at night or close-up shots too. The front camera is good for selfies, and there's a beauty mode to make your face look even better. Both front or rear cameras have LED flashlight to make pictures better in low light. The display has a small cutout, and there's a cool animation that happens when you get notifications or want to control the music. It's part of what they call the dynamic port feature. Besides the TECNO Spark 20 Pro, there are two other models in the TECNO Spark 20 series. The TECNO Spark 20 has a slightly smaller screen, which is 6.6, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and it's powered by a chip called MediaTek Helio G85. It also has a good stereo speakers, 5000 milliamps battery, and a price very affordable. The smallest model, which is the TECNO Spark 20C, keeps the 90 Hz refresh rate, stereo speakers, and the 5000 milliamps battery. It can come at a lower price, making good options for those on a budget. So in conclusion, the TECNO Spark 20 Pro offers a well-rounded experience with a good camera, big battery, and enjoyable display. It's part of a series that provides options for different needs and a budget. And that is a wrap. I hope you like this video. Please share, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again for the next clip. Peace out.